For decades, fashion has been driven by intuition, creativity, and a deep understanding of cultural nuances. Now, algorithms are joining the ranks of seasoned designers, offering data-driven insights into consumer preferences and emerging trends. Artificial intelligence is analyzing vast amounts of data, from social media engagement to runway images, to predict what styles will resonate with consumers. This data-driven approach is not meant to replace the artistry of human designers. Instead, it empowers them with valuable information, allowing them to refine their collections and make informed decisions about everything from color palettes to silhouettes. The result is a harmonious blend of creative vision and data-driven insights, pushing the boundaries of design and delivering collections that are both aesthetically pleasing and commercially viable. As technology becomes increasingly integrated into the fashion industry, it's crucial to maintain the human touch that makes fashion so compelling. While algorithms can analyze data and predict trends, they lack the emotional intelligence and artistic sensibility that are essential to creating truly innovative and meaningful designs. The challenge lies in striking a balance, leveraging the power of technology while preserving the creativity, craftsmanship, and cultural relevance that define fashion. This means embracing technology not as a replacement for human ingenuity, but as a tool to enhance and amplify it. Designers who can seamlessly blend their creative vision with data-driven insights will be the ones shaping the future of fashion. From artificial intelligence to augmented reality, a wave of technological innovations is transforming the fashion landscape. AI-powered platforms are revolutionizing the way we discover and shop for clothes, offering personalized recommendations and virtual styling assistance. Augmented reality is blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms, allowing consumers to try on clothes virtually and experience fashion shows from the comfort of their homes. Beyond enhancing the consumer experience, technology is also driving sustainability in the fashion industry. Innovative materials, 3D printing, and on-demand manufacturing are minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact. These advancements are not just changing how clothes are made, they're transforming the entire fashion ecosystem, making it more ethical, efficient, and accessible for everyone. The collaboration between Google and Beyoncé's Ivy Park is a prime example of how technology and fashion can intertwine to create something truly innovative and culturally significant. This partnership went beyond a traditional fashion collaboration. It fused Google's technological prowess with Ivy Park's inclusive ethos and bold aesthetics. The collection featured interactive elements, allowing users to scan clothing tags with their smartphones to access exclusive content and experiences. This collaboration demonstrated the power of technology to enhance storytelling in fashion and create deeper connections between brands and consumers. The future of fashion is not about technology replacing creativity, but about these two forces working in synergy. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations that will redefine the way we design, produce, and experience fashion. This future will be shaped by collaborations between tech giants and fashion houses, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating a more sustainable, inclusive, and engaging industry for all. What are your thoughts on this fusion of technology and artistry? How do you envision technology shaping the future of fashion? Please comment on the video, like, share, and subscribe to help Morgansoft continue to create great videos.